Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to be doing this look. I don't have much time. I have to run. I have somebody at the door. I don't have much time. So yeah, I'm just going to jump right on in. This is my quick 5 to 7 minute makeup routine. And this is what it looks like. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's hurry up and get started. Okay, so I literally only have 10 minutes to film this and get ready. So let's start. I went ahead and prepped my skin when I came out of the shower just so it's ready for me to record. And I prepped it with my usual, when I use Dinair makeup, I usually do the Milk Makeup Moisturizer. And I've been doing the Murad vita-C Glycolic Brightening Serum. So these are the two things I prepped my skin with. And the Milk Moisturizer is really emollient, so you don't really need a primer. If you have large pores, you can go ahead with a pore filler, but I don't really have huge pores, so I'm not too worried about it. So today, unlike some of my other Dinair tutorials, I've been using the Soft Glow Matte foundation. Today I'm going to be using the neutralizer foundation because I do have some redness here and some blemishes. I did also go ahead and conceal just to save some time for this video. So the colors I'll be going in with are the Dinair neutralizers in the shade Vanilla and Golden Olive. I'm going to take 10 drops of vanilla and about 7 drops of Golden Olive. The compressor I'll be using is my Dinair 1. Now the difference between the neutralizer and the Soft Glow Matte is that this is a little bit more full coverage and it really covers everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn my compressor on. There are no settings on the Dinair 1, just the one setting. Back bubble my colors. Spray, perfect. I was out at the pool earlier and we just got back in, took a quick shower, and now I'm ready for some clients. And as you can see, that redness that I had right over here is pretty much gone. Okay, I'm super happy with the coverage here. Now I'm going in with the Dinair neutralizer in the shade Nutmeg. I know this says Paramedical Camouflage, but it's literally the same exact thing as the neutralizer. It's just, it was named something else before. Oh, 5 drops, whatever. Turn it on, spray my tissue. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my airbrush. Just put a couple of drops of cleaner. Turn that on, back bubble, spray out. And with the Dinair 1, make sure you turn it off between shades so you're not using up all the battery. Now I'm going in with my Color Opalescent 24 Karat and Enchanted, and I'm applying this as my highlight. And I'm not doing anything to my eyes, guys, not in this video, because I need to be ready quick. Turn that on, back bubble. Oops, too much. That's fine. Okay, I applied way too much on my brow bone, but that is a-okay. My fault, but I actually like the way that looks. Make that even. There we go. Next, I'm going in with my Dinair Natural in the shade Dark Peach Pink, and I'm just applying a couple of drops of this as my blush. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my airbrush one more time. Just one time is good. Now, I do have a brow lamination, so my eyebrows are pretty full, but I am gonna touch them up just a little bit. So in order to do that, I'm going in with my Kohl-Layer Opalescent in the shade Underground and my Kohl-Layer Eyebrow in the shade Dark Smoke. And I'm just gonna apply one drop of each to fill in my brows a little. One drop, one drop. Turn that on, back bubble. And I'm going to use my stencil for this. Okay. Just like that. I like to wipe my stencil after every use just so I don't accidentally get makeup on my face, because I have done that before. Right here. Okay. Shit. Okay. I'm happy with that eyebrow and I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, now I am happy with my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna quickly contour my nose with my Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer. For my mascara, I'm going in with a brand new Urban Decay Cosmetics Lash Freak Mascara. I used this the other day and I'm in love with it. Just gonna apply this to my lashes. Now I'm just using my lip liner. This is Gerard Cosmetics Nude. And for my lipstick, I'm going in with my Dinair Liquid Lip in the shade Undressed. And that's it, guys. This is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have to run, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.